In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front link on your Acura MDX, located behind the front wheels. Let's get started. Here on the front left, using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. Remove the tire. Behind the wheel, located on this side of the strut, here's your link. There's gonna be two 17mm nuts, one located on the top and one located on the bottom. We're gonna remove the top one first, using a 17mm socket and an impact gun. There's a nut. If you try to remove this knot and the whole assembly spins, I like to use a pair of locking pliers. In this case, we're gonna locate it right around here, lock it into place, and then you should be able to remove the knot. Now let's take out the bottom one. Now to remove the bottom knot, we're gonna use a set of locking pliers. Grab the inner part of the tie rod, lock it into place. Using a 17mm socket, we should be able to remove our knot. Remove your locking pliers and slide it out of the way. Slide it into place. Top and bottom. Install the nuts by hand. In the case of these parts, these are 18mm. Now we're ready to snug them up. If you find that it's rotating, we're gonna lock them in place with a set of locking pliers. Push them in. When you do this, make sure you don't grab the boot. Remove your pliers and do the same on the bottom. Now we're gonna torque them down. Using our set of locking pliers, we're gonna do the same in the back of it. Lock it into place, and we're gonna torque it down to 58 foot-pounds. Remove your locking pliers and do the same on the bottom. Now we can install the tire back on. Start your lug nuts by hand. And snug them. Now we're gonna torque down our wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.